This looks like a ridiculous piece of junk, but this used to be the high power that was on my IS. I bent it a long time ago. This isn't smooth. It's actually it was pushed back in about 2 inches. Well, now I have a new one. But this isn't what this video is about. This is one of the problems of having a USDM bumper. Actually, it's problems of having any of the damn bumpers, is things like the brake, the tabs up here. But I'm not a huge fan of these either. If we go around to the other side, we have damage right here, which I hit a cone, which actually made this a lot worse. There's also a foot mark in the bottom grill. If I can set it up, I can show you. I believe it's right here. Somebody kicked the car with their foot. I can't confirm who did it. I have an idea, but so many years ago. Who cares? This bumper is basically useless now. So what we have here is a JDM bumper. It's actually from 2002. Same color as my car. It does have damage right here and underneath, which goes without saying, you know. There you go. It's got damage over here, but it's not that bad. It's going to be taken care of soon. Actually, on Monday. The grill work is perfectly fine. The fog light recesses are perfect. It's got a spot for a Japanese license plate, which I have right here. I'm going to replace these so they're nice and clean. New bolts across the board. I'm going to show in the next video how to install this bumper. This is 84 Hachi signing off.